So Samsung might be cooking up something pretty wild for 2026, and honestly, this one caught me off guard. We've all been expecting the usual yearly refresh for the Fold and Flip series, but it turns out one of Samsung's mystery devices isn't what anyone thought it was. And the more you dig into it, the more it feels like Samsung is gearing up for one of its biggest foldable shakeups in years. A little while ago, a device with the model number SMF971 popped up online, and the immediate assumption was, oh, this must be the cheaper Galaxy Z Flip 8 FE. But something didn't sit right. The numbering didn't match their usual pattern for Flip models, and the whole thing just felt off. Now we know why. A new GSMA database entry pretty much flips that theory on its head. Instead of being a budget flip, the SMF971 is listed right next to the proper Galaxy Z Fold 8, suggesting that Samsung isn't releasing one Fold next year, it's preparing two. And this mystery device, it lines up perfectly with the long, rumored, wider version of the Fold that Samsung has apparently been testing behind the scenes. And this is where it gets interesting. The so-called Wide Fold 8 is supposed to ditch that tall, narrow shape we've had since the original Fold and switch to something more tablet-like. Reports claim Samsung is using two 18x9 panels that unfold into a perfect square, 18x18. And when closed, the whole thing becomes shorter and wider, more like a compact notebook than a stretched phone. If that's true, Samsung might be preparing a Fold that finally feels like an actual mini tablet, not just a phone that becomes a slightly bigger phone. Some early whispers even say Samsung wants this wider design ready because Apple's rumored Foldable is going for a similar shape. And if that's the case, launching two Fold models at the same time suddenly makes a lot more sense. The numbering system backs everything up too. Samsung's Flip models have never used the F97X series, and the FE versions normally borrow the same numbering as their premium models. A Flip FE suddenly adopting a Fold-style ID? Yeah, that was never happening. But an alternate Fold? That fits perfectly, especially for a year when Samsung is clearly trying to differentiate itself as the foldable market gets more crowded. If this all ends up being true, buyers in 2026 might actually have a choice for the first time. The regular Fold for people who still want a phone-first experience. And a brand new, wider Fold for the folks who want something closer to a tiny tablet they can slip into their pocket. We don't have specs, we don't have thickness. We don't even know if Samsung is going to market it under the same Fold 8 branding. But the fact that this model number exists and lines up so cleanly with all the leaks makes it feel like Samsung's foldable lineup is about to get a serious expansion. So, what do you think? Is a wider Fold the upgrade Samsung actually needs, or is this just going to make the lineup more confusing? Drop your thoughts down below, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.